Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I finally went to the Dollar Tree. I haven't really been going in the last, I think it's been 2-3 weeks that I've missed going to a Dollar Tree. But I did go this time and fall is out at my Dollar Tree. I found some cute items and I thought I would share them all with you. So as usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So I did go to pick up the usual SureFresh slider storage bags that I normally get at Dollar Tree. They are 2.5 gallon and they have 6 bags in the package, and I like to purchase these for my vinyl doll kits. I keep them in there so they stay dust free after I wash them, and they work out great for that. I also normally pick up the Purr mints. I was picking up the gum, and I really like these mints, and I like that they're in these metal containers and they're great for in your purse or in your pocket. They're not very large, but they do have I thought it said how many they have in here, but I guess not. I did get them in the spearmint flavor and they are 30 grams, so 1.05 ounces. And I really do enjoy these. Then I found some non-stick cooking spray. I picked up this one here, and I do believe it is a Walmart brand, but it is non-GMO. It is Spectrum, and it is the coconut oil, and it was 170 grams for $2. So I thought I'd give that a try. And then I also picked up by Spectrum the cold pressed olive oil non-stick cooking spray, and also 170 grams for $2. I came across these luxury room mist sprays, and I picked them up in the scent Island Breeze and Island Vibe. So Island Vibe has notes of black currant, dewy melon, watery greens, sandalwood, and powdery musk. And then the Island Breeze has fruity nuances, sheer lavender, apple blossom, jasmine, cedarwood, and coconut. They are 280 mils. I've not tried them before. So I'm kind of excited to see how these are. Let me know in the comment section below if you've seen these at Dollar Tree, if you've picked them up, and how you enjoy them, or if you enjoy them or you really don't like them very much. Let me know. And also let me know what scent you picked up. I love to always check the baby section at Dollar Tree to see if they have new and exciting items that have come in there. I've picked up some really neat things that were brand name items. This time around I picked up this Pampers Kids Hygiene on the Go. I like to keep these in my purse because they're not very thick. They do have 40 baby wipes inside. They're dermatologically tested and 0% alcohol. So I just like to have these in my purse if you need to wipe your hands or anything like that, then I do have that on hand. Now these I've picked up before, and I ended up finding 3 more in preemie size. They did have a few more of the sleepers in newborn, but I just wanted to pick up the preemie because preemie is not always easy to find. So when I do see it, I like to pick it up. And of course, these are for my reborn stash or reborning stash to keep on hand for when I have little reborn dolls that are made. Then I have the little preemie outfits to go with them. So these were all the same. As I said, they were 3, so it says for 3 to 5 pounds. They're really cute. They're like a nice velour material. They snap up in the front down to the feet. They are closed. The feet are, I can't think of the word. They are a footed sleeper. And they also come with a little hat, which is really great for $2. So I picked up 3 of those. Then I came across this cute little outfit, and probably because Christmas in July, I'm thinking, it was the only one left, but it's super cute. It is by Snug-a-Bye, which these sleepers are Snug-a-Bye as well, which is also Walmart, or sold at Walmart. And it's a little Santa sleeper. So again, it's a footed sleeper. It has a little belt on the front, which is really cute, but this one zips up and it goes from the center down the side, which is really cute. And then it has the little hood with the little pom-pom. I thought that was adorable. And then I found this also by Snug-a-Bye. It says Play Jeux for kids that play, and it's a adorable little hat. Super cute. And then it has the little straps with the Velcro. The size of this is 0 to 6 months. So I thought that was pretty cute, and I have a little dress that this will go perfectly with for one of the dolls that I either sell or one of the ones I have in my collection. Cute little bow. I didn't see that. Super cute. I picked up a couple packs of these sponge dabbers by Crafter's Square. You get 3 in a package, and I like using these for when I am painting. Then I came across these, which were a nice find. You get 20 pieces of fabric squares. They are 100% cotton. The size of them are 10 by 10. And you get some different patterns in here. You can see that the edge is like scalloped, and you can see that the top has the pineapple, and you get like 3-4 sheets of those, maybe more, maybe 5. Then you get this print, which is like watermelon. And then there is this one that has writing all over it. It says zesty fruit pineapple splash. Just a bunch of different words. And then you get about 5 of those. This one I loved with the watermelon. And then they have the lemons. And that's what this pack was, and I only got 1 of these. And then I got 4 of the next ones. These are so pretty. So this one was in more of a unicorn theme. So it has the unicorns with these gold, not quite polka dots, but little sparkles on them, and then these pink roses, which are really cute. Then this other unicorn pattern with the gold unicorns. This one's really pretty with the rainbows and clouds. I don't think there's unicorns on that one. And then this one is really sweet with the different colored hearts. And then the last one has the unicorn eyes with the little hair in the front and the horn and the ears, and that's all that it has with the face of the unicorn. So really, really cute. So I did pick up 4 packs of those. That was an exciting find. Okay, and the last items are seasonal. They are for fall. And I can't believe that I walked in and I saw fall. I don't remember when fall came out last year, but it just seems like this year it's come out a little bit sooner. Let me know in the comments section if I'm right or wrong, but it just seems like July is a little too soon. But I mean, I love seeing fall anytime, so it was okay with me. So I ended up picking up some napkins, and I love picking these up for in my bathroom. I have a 2-tiered basket, and on the bottom I will buy seasonal napkins and have them in there, so if somebody doesn't want to use a hand towel, they can always use one of these. So the first package says Harvest Blessings, and it has the sunflowers and pumpkins on the bottom. And then this one was just the leaves in front or on top of a what looks like a faux wood background. And I thought these were really pretty. I picked up a package of the corn decor, and they had these in red, and I can't remember the third color. Was it purple? I don't remember now, but I'm pretty sure I took a picture. So I thought that was really sweet. These so far are my favorite of the fall decor. I know there's probably still a lot more coming out, but I love these faux wool pumpkins. And I picked up whatever they had in these colors. There were a couple other colors, but I left them. I like this color combination. So the stems are in gold, and then they had this beige, this really pretty green, bluey green, and then this very light orange. They are just so pretty. I don't know what I'm doing with them yet. I have a few ideas, but I'm just so glad that I was able to pick up these, and I hope I do come across some more because they are just wonderful. I love these so much. Let me move these out of the way. And then I picked up 2 signs. So they did have quite a few out, not a ton, but I mean there was a good little selection there. So I ended up picking up these 2. They were my favorite. In the brown, and I think it's like it looks like a faux wood. It says Welcome Fall, and I just love the little fox here in the corner. There's a squirrel. Is that a hedgehog? Pumpkins, mushrooms, and leaves. So pretty. I really like this one. And then the second one that I picked up says Open Daily Pumpkin Patch, hand-picked and farm fresh. Hand-picked and farm fresh. And then you can see this is above the sign. So pretty. So that is my Dollar Tree haul this time around. I hope that you enjoyed it. Do you guys have fall at your Dollar Trees? I'm assuming yes. But tell me also in the comments section what your favorite fall item is that you've seen so far at your Dollar Tree. I really haven't been watching too many Dollar Tree hauls, so I don't even know what's out there so far for fall. I live in Canada, if this is the first time coming to my channel, so we only have the regular Dollar Trees. We don't have any Dollar Tree Plus here in Canada, so we don't get those higher end items, the $5 items I believe they go up to. We pretty much go up to $2 at our Dollar Tree. And so yeah, I'm a little bit jealous because you guys have the Dollar Tree Plus in the US, but I do love watching the hauls when I have time. Like I said, I really haven't watched any lately, but when I have a chance, I love to see what you guys are getting at your Dollar Trees. But that will do it for this Dollar Tree, guys. As I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.